Hi, Carol here with Everspruce, the ultimate home inventory app. On this channel, we discuss home organization and tips on how to use the Everspruce Home Inventory app. In today's video, we'll discuss Everspruce's new feature. This feature will revolutionize the way professionals manage their clients' belongings. Say hello to the new Zone feature, designed specifically for professionals like you. So who can benefit from zones? So either you're a home organizer, storage unit manager, property manager, or a real estate developer, this feature is for you. It is a game changer. If you are a home organizer, you're probably juggling multiple clients and their inventory. Using the Everspruce Zone feature will make your life so much easier. Managing various inventories for yourself and your clients can be difficult. Leveraging the Everspruce Home Inventory App Zone feature will be a great benefit for you and your clients. With Everspruce's zones, you can now manage multiple clients' inventory more effectively without the risk of mixing up inventory data. It is secure, efficient, and user-friendly. But who wouldn't benefit from zones? Users with a single household won't need to add additional zones. Everspruce is designed to cater to your needs without complicating things. Even if you have a storage unit or a second home, you can manage these locations with your existing zone and a single subscription, like I do. Simply add an area entry that represents that location in your existing zone. It's that easy. Here's my example. Now let's dive into exactly what a zone is. Here's what you need to know about zones. 1. Every user has a unique zone when they download Everspruce. 2. Every zone has one admin user who's the creator of the zone. 3. The admin of a zone can invite other people to join and use that zone. 4. A zone has a specific list of users that access it. 5. The user can have access to multiple zones. 6. Each zone is its own enclosed space. 7. A zone has its own subscription status. With a subscription, you can invite others into a zone. They would have unlimited access to read, edit, add entries. This is perfect for clients and colleagues that you need to collaborate with. And even without a subscription, a zone can hold up to 50 entries, giving you plenty of room to manage your inventory. So how do you manage zones effectively? Here are some simple steps how to manage your zones using the Everspruce Home Inventory app. To change the name of a zone, follow these steps. Download and open the Everspruce Home Inventory app. Tap on Settings, represented by the gear icon in the upper right corner. Select Manage Zones from the options. Choose a specific zone you want to change the name of. Here I have chosen my primary home. Tap on Options, select Edit Zone. Tap on the name field and make the desired changes. Finally, tap Save to update your zone name. To add a new zone, follow these steps. Go back to Settings, represented by the gear icon on the upper right corner. Go ahead and select Manage Zones from the options. Tap on Add New Zone. Input the name of your new zone. If desired, you can also add a description of the zone. This is optional. Tap on Save to create the To edit a zone, follow these steps. Go to Settings, open Manage Zones, select the zone you want to edit. Go to Options, click to Edit Zone, change the name, and then you can change the description. That is optional. And here I'm just adding primary just for the example for today. Click Save, and then you're all done. You have edited your zone. To add new users, you can go ahead and watch this video here, or you can go to everspruceapp.com and read our blog, How to Add New Users. The link will be in the description box below. Managing multiple clients' inventory has never been easier. With Everspruce, you will have full control of your clients' inventory while maintaining their security and privacy. The Everspruce Home Inventory App new zone features offers a powerful tool to help professional home organizers, storage unit managers, property managers, and real estate developers manage their clients' inventory. It streamlines your business, it manages multiple clients efficiently, and it keeps your clients' information secure. To take advantage of this game-changing feature, download the Everspruce app today and start adding zones to take your business to new heights. With Everspruce, organize your world and your client's world with minimal effort. Available for download in the App Store. Thank you for watching, and like this video and subscribe to our channel if you enjoy tips like this.